Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. You remember those 10 pine knots I found the other day? Here's one of them. Let me show you how easy it is to make some fatwood sticks and bearing blocks out of something like this. This will be our bearing block, and this will baton up into a whole bunch of fatwood sticks. All right, before I gather those up, let's go ahead and make our bearing block. And I'll put 2 divots in this one. All right, for the Canadian hitch, we should be able to get by with 2 feet of cordage here. And if you don't understand what I'm showing you here, you can go to Animated Knots and they'll show you clearly, more clearly than I can show you, how to do a arbor knot Canadian hitch. Come down about 1 inch, tie a knot. Then you'll take this end right here and tie it around here. Now you have a slider knot that can open right here. Let's go ahead and put our sticks in there. And close it up. There's our Canadian hitch. All right, this is what we got. Nice little bearing block. And our fatwood sticks. Let's try one out. Let's get a small one. See how good it is. Before you leave the channel today, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and select all. And please give this video a like too. Let's see what we got here. Before you use the ferro rod, you'll want to clean your spine off. That is some great fatwood that we got the other day. Fatwood sticks are not that hard to make. You saw how quick and easy it was. You might want to make some up, keep them in your pack. All right, y'all. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.